Welcome to Tales by Reddy. Today I want to tell you a story about a young man who discovered his true passion in a way he never expected. So, meet Hosea. He grew up in Kiambu with a simple dream to do something meaningful with his life. But life had a surprise waiting for him. One day, he stumbled upon photography. At first, he thought it was just about taking nice pictures at weddings and birthdays. But as soon as he held the camera, something changed. He realized photography was not just about photos. It was about capturing emotions, telling stories, and documenting memories. He started small, practicing whenever he could. The early shots were not perfect, but with each click, he got better. And soon, it was not just a hobby anymore. It was a passion. As time went by, Hosea connected with experienced photographers who pushed him to the next level. He learned advanced skills like drone photography, editing, and even the business side of the job. Together, they worked on weddings, graduations, dowries, personal shoots, and much more. Clients were amazed at the stories he could tell through his camera. Today, Hosea runs his own photography company called Truth Photography. But this doesn't mean that he has not been through some challenges. Along the way, he discovered something important. Not everyone who claps for you wants to see you succeed. It has been tough, but Hosea reminded himself trust must be earned, not given away. Therefore, don't trust so easily. He chose to surround himself with genuine people who shared his vision, and with them he continues to grow. Now, Hosea is more than just a photographer. He is a storyteller, capturing beauty from both the ground and the skies with stunning drone shots. His journey is proof that sometimes your real calling appears when you least expect it. And to succeed, you need not only passion, but also wisdom in choosing the people you keep close. So, next time you see a stunning photo, remember behind it is not just a camera, there is a story, a struggle, and a dream. From this story, the lesson is simple follow your passion, but be careful who you trust. Protect your dream because not everyone wants to see you shine. So if you enjoyed this story, check out my last video about the cobbler who quietly built an empire. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more inspiring Kenyan stories. And if you'd like to book Hosea for your events, you can reach him on 0793 504 428. So that's it for now, guys. I hope you got inspired. Thank you for watching. Let's meet again in the next video. See you then.